Welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'll be working on a watch by Enzo Watch Limited. It's a time-only watch with sub-seconds at 6. Unfortunately, it doesn't run despite being fully wound. So, let's dive in and see if we can fix it. So, let the project begin. It's a, I think a 1960s or late 60s watch. I'm not really sure. It wouldn't run despite being fully wound. So I'm not sure what's wrong with it. And hopefully we'll be able to find out once we get into the inside of this watch. I couldn't figure out where to open it. I can't see any tabs to open the case back, so I tried getting in from the crystal side of the watch. So I'm trying to open up the bezel. It's not a big watch. This is about a 34mm. Crystal is of acrylic. It's got a crack in it, but the dial is fine, and the hands are in good shape. I think this watch came from a friend. I believe it's from his parents, and they bought it when they were in Israel. Hence the numbers. But other than that, yeah, don't know much about its provenance. Okay. Of course, next step, loosen the dial so we can prise it off. 2 on each side. Yeah, when you take a closer look, you can tell that movement's in good nick. I don't see any rust, no moisture, nothing. It's clean, it's immaculate. It's probably been used for a little bit and just stored in a drawer. Okay. Next step, I usually take the balance complete out, just to avoid any unforeseen damages or accidents. I'll have to loosen the balance wheel. And here we go. Time to release the energy. Okay, now I can start working on the dial side. And remove the Cannon Pinion so you can later on remove the center wheel. Yeah, that's a common trap. There's a Yoke spring. and because this got no date, it's just an easy basic watch repair or a watch break strip down. There's no other complications, so it should be a quick fix. Now, why am I putting plastic? I'm just paranoid with the spring. I don't know what's going to jump out. I've had a few springs jump out on me. This plastic will prevent that from flying out. And in the yoke, so slowly working through the Achilles works. Oh, slippery. Okay, now it's time for the motion works. And just be gentle when you take out the pallet fork. There's got sensitive pivots. Okay, time to remove the ratchet wheel. You can see how it's all so squeaky clean. It's all shiny. And like I said, there's no rust. I don't even see any wear and tear, so this is a very good specimen. Okay. Now I'm just pinning down the Cliek Spring just in case. Oops. So getting the click. Still pinning the spring down. Oh, there you go. I'm sure if my toothpick wasn't there, that would have popped out in orbit. Yeah, by the way, I'll interrupt now. If you like this channel, please subscribe, or if you're new to it, please subscribe, as it'll support my channel. It'll help it grow. I'm still trying to get the numbers. Thank you. So let's continue on with the barrel bridge. Okay, now I can gently loosen this one. Well, later on I found out you don't have to loosen it. Because what happens then, the adjusting lever drops out. Okay, and the barrel bridge. And there's the adjustment lever or screw. And you'll see the brand Enzo Watch Limited. I've tried to do some research and I couldn't find any information about Enzo Watch Limited. So I don't know if anyone out there knows much more. Please share the information. Write down on the comments below. And yeah, just share that information. I'd like to know who and what Enzo has been doing. I can't see any information on the internet. So train wheel bridge. Got it. Yep. Dismantling is the easy part. Reassembly takes the longest time, with the lubrication and all. So pallet wheel. And the mainspring barrel. The mainspring barrel I'll be dismantling and cleaning myself. I'll be doing that off camera. I'll try to video record it so I can probably create a small tutorial. And now the winding pinion that I just dropped. Yep, looking good. And I'll just put back the balance wheel just for cleaning. I guess it helps putting it on the movement. Makes it easy to clean up. Just make sure the balance wheel spinning loosely. I don't want the pivot to break. I'll be giving the jewels a clean, so I'm removing both ends, the top jewel and the bottom jewel. Just using a piece of Rodico, I'll pick up the jewel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you'd like to support my channel, just hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified of future videos.